to download any video of your choice straight to your phone gallery here from Facebook. Are you a content creator and there are videos you like here on Facebook and you want to download them straight to your phone gallery? In this video, I'm going to be getting you practical steps on how to download any video you find here on Facebook and you want to download them straight to your phone gallery. All you just need to do, you share this video and let other benefit, right? Let's go. So now look for the video that you want to download here on Facebook. So for example, let's assume is this one. You click on the share button. So now whenever you click on the share button of any video of your choice, it's going to pop up, which allow you to see the copy link because it is the link that we need. Okay, so now you're going to click on the copy link. Now make sure that it shows copied, meaning you have copied the link. After you've done that, you minimize and then click open this your float. Now when you open float, you go ahead and paste the link you just copied. So we are pasting the link, then we click on go. Now it will bring you back, float will bring you back to the video. So now press down the video, hold down the video. You can see the way my finger is pressing it down, right? Then it's going to pop up like this. Now you can rename the video. So for example, the reason why I'm going to be renaming this video, I don't want it to mix up, so I'm going to rename it like downloaded. So after you have renamed it, you click on OK. Now you come to this place that says download video. So you click on the download video. So after it has downloaded the video, see if you check up, see downloaded successfully. Now this video have actually not downloaded to your own phone gallery. So for it to download to your phone gallery, click on that folder down. For Float to put the video in your own phone gallery, you will see a folder down. Look at that folder. You click on it. So now when you click on the folder, it's going to pop up like this. So now you locate the video you just downloaded now and click on that three dots. So now when you click on the three dots, you can now choose a location where you want the video to finally download. For example, either to save to photos or save to file. So since I'm using iPhone, I'm going to say save to photo. If you're using Android, you can say save to file. Then you go ahead and click on allow. Is as simple as that. So now save to photo is success, meaning now it has now permanently or successfully saved to your phone gallery, either photo or gallery, irrespective of the phone you are using. Now if you go to your gallery or your photos, you will see this video there. All right, so step one is you come to Facebook, you look for the video of your choice that you want to download, then you click on the share button, then you copy the link. Make sure you copy the link before you now come to Float. Then when you open Float, then you paste that link you just copied. Now Float will return you back to the video, then you hold it down as like you press it down. So when you press it down, Float, there will be an option for you to rename the video and then now download the video. Now remember, when you now that first download, the video have not successfully downloaded to your phone gallery, you will have to click on the folder down in order to do what? To now save the video to your phone gallery. So please share this video and let other benefit. All right, thank you.